Nothing tastes as good as being thin feels. Elizabeth Berg. Living a healthy lifestyle may be essential to most people. Being so, they want to lose weight, stay in shape, and most importantly, look good. In the skin patch article that dissolves love handles in mice by the Columbia University Medical Center, they developed a new medicated skin patch that turns energy storing white fat into energy burning brown fat and raises the overall body and metabolism. This may be important for healthy lifestyle enthusiasts or anyone simply just wanting to lose excess fats. This microneedle patch may dissolve love handles, meaning these right here. In the continuation of my speech, I'm going to tell you what it is. Second, I'm going to tell you how it's used. And finally, the good, the bad, and the ugly. To start off with, in the article, Nanotech Skin Patch that turns white fat into energy burning brown fat by Andrew Madison goes into depth of the research at the Columbia University Medical Center and the University of North Carolina that have developed a microneedle skin patch that pierces your skin and administers nanoparticles carrying a fat shrinking drugs to fat cells. The initial study showed that this patch shrank the fat on obese mice by 20% by turning white fat, which stores excess energy, into brown fat, which is used to make heat. Mice that were treated with the drugs had a 20% reduction in fat on the treated side compared to the untreated side. They also had significantly lower fasting blood glucose levels than untreated mice. These tests in normal lean mice revealed that treatment with the drug increased animals' oxygen consumption and measured a overall metabolic activity by about 20% compared to untreated mice. And the genetic analysis revealed that the treated side contained more genes associated with brown fat than on the untreated side, suggesting that the observed metabolic changes and fat reduction were due to an increase in browning in the treated mice. In this next article, Microneedle Patches May One Day Dissolve Love Handles by Mark Derwicks explains how to use this treatment. The treatment helps decrease blood glucose levels, which means that it could help people fight obesity and diabetes. It did, however, only reduce the fat underneath the patch, so once this gets FDA approved, we're going to need production ready to start printing these huge sheets. The square patch is only a centimeter wide, but still holds a dozens of microscopic needles, which painlessly pinches the skin, releasing the drug. The patches are small and covered in hundreds of microneedles that are drenched in beta-3 adrenergic receptor agonist, or another drug called thyroid hormone T3. These medications are being researched as a way to turn the somewhat troublesome white fat into brown fat, which could help shed some pounds. The patch could be used to burn out pockets of mostly unwanted fat, such as love handles, and treat metabolic disorders like obesity and diabetes, according to the researchers at the Columbia University Medical Center. By delivering the drug directly to the fat cells, the drug side effects in the other part of the body might be prevented or minimized. The fat in the bodies will begin to then brown just after 5 days, and the existing fat mass in the body is to be reduced by more than 20% over 4 weeks, as the study is shown in the mice. With the rising problem of obesity and detrimental health effects, it can cause a delivery system of medication that can help patients lose some weight. And burn fat could undoubtedly be a game changer. In the skin patch article called Puts the Burn on Body Fat by Ben Coxworth details the good, the bad, and the ugly. As we can see what the microneedle patch is and how it works, there are always ups and downs when seeing new products on the market. This patch is fairly easy to use. It's pressed into the skin, and after a few minutes, the microneedles detach from the underside and stay in the skin, delivering the medicine. Simple way to put it. This device, which is just a cloth covering with some adhesive, is easily removed. The needles don't have to come out, they are biodegradable, and while attached, do an excellent job of delivering medication. But in an article called "The New Patch Aims to Turn Energy Storing Fats into Energy Burning Fats" by Anyang Technology University, sets off a con. This entrapment exposes that the whole body to drugs, as stated in the article, which can lead to side effects such as stomach upsets, even maybe weight gain, and probably some bone fractures. Our skin patch appears to alleviate these complications by delivering most drugs into fat tissues. The microneedle patch may seem promising, but has not tested in people, as that article argues. Designed and realized as a painless alternative to a hypodermic syringe, microneedle-based devices are currently approaching commercial market placement. For those who do not have time to go to the gym, individuals who may not want to try a new routine that may or not work for them, this would be a good step of foundation to try. Microneedle patches may seem promising, but there's always a downside when learning about new advancements. As a result, to close in my speech, obesity results from excessive white fat storage, making it difficult to treat because the effectiveness of diet, exercise, and systematic anti-obesity agents is limited, and in the later case may cause serious side effects. As a result, researchers are investigating more innovative strategies for localized delivery of fat-burning compounds with these microneedle patches that will dissolve love handles and simply fats. To conclude this, living a healthy lifestyle may be essential to most people. Being so, they want to lose weight, stay in shape, and importantly, again, to look good. As a promising device, as we see on these microneedles, they may have a significant progress of revolutionizing the field of disease treatment, immunobiological administration, disease diagnosis, and even probably cosmetic applications. Thank you.